Shiba Inu had a very good day yesterday. Not having a good day right now. Nothing in the crypto market is, because we got an announcement this morning, or at least a suggestion this morning, that caused a sea of red in the crypto space. And we're going to talk about whether this is something that will continue, or is this the latest in our series of shakeouts we've been seeing in the crypto space trying to cause retail capitulation. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So Shiba Inu actually did something very good yesterday. Closed its day up about 4.75%. Then even as we got into the evening candles, we actually saw Shiba Inu surge all the way up to 4016. It was a very strong move, very exciting for what was taking place. And it was something that frankly could have continued. But unfortunately, what we're seeing this morning is a lot of red. Just look at these last candles for Shiba Inu here. All right. The last hourly candle right now, it's about 7:04 a.m. Central Standard Time. So we saw a drop from 40156 all the way down below 4015. And this sucks. It's brutal. It's not fun. And the only reason that this is taking place is this announcement. President Trump recommends a 50% tariff on the European Union starting June 1st, just as we're making some momentum in the crypto market, get a little bit of a curveball to kind of throw things down. Unfortunately, this caused some capitulation, caused some profit taking, like I was talking about in my earlier ADA video. And unfortunately, we got into some big long liquidations across the crypto market. In fact, in the last hour, $216 million in long leverage liquidated. Not fun. Not an exciting thing. We've dealt with this, of course, many times before. And now it's a question of, how does the market stomach this? We've seen Shiba Inu erase, obviously, its entire daily candle from yesterday. Obviously, ETH doing the exact same thing, still kind of putzing around between this range here, like we were discussing. BTC dropping all the way from about 111K down to where it's at currently. Again, also erasing yesterday's green candle entirely. Frankly, this is some BS. I'd love if the market just continued to run up and to the right, but I understand that there are some days that these things will occur, that shakeouts will occur. It's not really a surprising thing. So what I will say here is if retail can actually diamond hand up, we'll be just fine. If people continue to capitulate and we continue to see these leverage liquidations take place, we're probably going to go lower. All right. Now, that might not be what you want to hear. And yes, I'm usually incredibly bullish here on the channel, and understand I'm still bullish long term, but I recognize what we're going through right now. It's people just once again freaking out because they're thinking back to, February and March and April and just this PTSD that they continue to have that just caused big market capitulation. All right. Now, do I think this is a bit of a nothing burger? Yeah, I do think that it is a bit of a nothing burger, because every time we've gotten one of these tariff announcements, guess what's happened? They either haven't occurred, or they've been rescinded, or they've been delayed. It's a power move. It's not really a surprising thing. All right. And the question we have to ask ourselves is this going to slow down some of the bigger movements we've been seeing? And the answer is probably not, because the wave is in motion. It's already been building. It's already been moving. And what we're seeing is huge institutional accumulation. Yesterday was actually the largest day of institutional Ethereum accumulation we've seen since February. It was one of the largest days ever yesterday on the BTC side as well, over $900 million accumulated. It's been one of the largest weeks ever in terms of BTC. So what you're seeing is just this big need to buy by institutional players. Institutional players in the space. All right. And what they're realizing is that supply is running out very quickly. We're seeing this in terms of Shiba Inu as well. The last couple days here have been unload days, just so you guys are aware. It was like 40 billion SHIB unloaded 2 days ago. I think like 60 or 70 billion unloaded yesterday. So kind of, moderate days, not really a whole lot going on. But I will say this is we're eventually going to get through some of these shakeouts. They happen. It is what it is. It sucks. Again, I'd love if things just continue to run, but that's where we're at. We'll see where the day progresses. We'll see if this snowballs into something bigger, or if we just continue to turn this thing around and print a lot of green. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.